Our client really likes, you know, the main character of the kitchen. However, the vision is black cabinets on black countertops. So we're kind of starting from that base, and this wall being a focal wall, we want to have a stone quartz slab just installed throughout, and it will look as a one big piece. And I think the fun part of this material that we found is that we are kind of mirroring what's happening on the countertop, but just making it the opposite. So it will be a very light white with some black veining. We're bringing some brass elements through hardware, light fixtures, and faucet. So just a little changes that are going to be happening in the kitchen. However, I think these are the changes that will make it look like a completely different kitchen.